Sullivan and stalling. A group of neighbors in Hanson, Kentucky had no clue an attempted traffic stop over 30 miles away would impact their lives. Just after 7:30 last night, a Kentucky state trooper tried to stop a car on Highway 60 for speeding. That led, the trooper says, to a chase that exceeded speeds of 100 miles an hour. When stop sticks were used to puncture the tires of the car, the three suspects bailed out, we're told, and that's when some Hanson neighbors went on high alert. While walking their neighborhood, the men stumbled upon one of the suspects and held him at gunpoint.
I asked him where he was. He said he didn't know. I asked him how he got here. He said, I don't know. He said, I'm just scared. We were going 100 miles an hour the whole way. I said, well, you're somewhere you don't need to be then.
Well, shortly after the neighbors held down the suspect, law enforcement took him into custody. The driver and other passengers were later located and arrested. They are now being held in the Henderson County Jail.